Hello guys, in this video we'll be completing the challenge from the unit create a custom candidate record page. So to do that, let's quickly jump into our Trailhead playground. So now I'm in our recruiting app which we are using to complete our project. So first thing is that we need to add a lightning component. So to do that, let's go to our candidates records. Let's create a new record. Let's insert a first and last name and save it. So once you're inside the candidate page, let's go to the setup in the top right corner and go for edit page. So this brings up our lightning app builder. So once our lightning app builder has loaded, we'll be dragging the recent items lightning component above the in the related and details tab. So this is the related and details tab. So let's search for recent items component. Now let's drag that over to the top of the related details. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and save our app and let's go to activation. So it's already set as org default, so I'm not going to edit it. In case if your app doesn't show it as org default, please do set it as org default for both desktop and phone. Okay, so let's close this. Let's go back over here and let's see if our recent items component has reflected in our candidates page. So as you can see, this is our recent items component. So we are done with adding the lightning component. So the next part is to create a custom candidate compact layout. So to do that, let's go to our setup menu. And our object manager to find our object which is candidate. Here we'll go to compact layouts and let's click on new. So here let's add the label as include candidate name. So let's just copy and paste it. And for the selected fields, we will have the candidate number followed by first name and then the last name. So once you have added the fields, let's go ahead and save it. And let's go to compact layout assignments. And let's go on edit. And let's select the includes candidate name. So this is the compact layout which we have just created. And let's go ahead and save it. So yeah, I think this has been saved. Yeah. So this is it for the challenge. So anyways, let me show actually what we have done for what is the change we have done to the compact layout. So in the meanwhile, let's see if we have completed this challenge as well. Let's go to candidates path and let's go to one of the candidate. All right. So as you can see, this is this is the first name and last name which we have added in the compact layout, and this is the recent standard items. Right, that's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.